And if a day feels too long and you feel like you can't wait another war, then you're surely giving up on everything. Love is gonna find you again. Wow. That's my mother. Love is gonna find you. You better be ready then. Stop fucking with me, Mom. I'm playing a game. We've been kneeling in the dark for far too long. I don't know why. I've been waiting for that spark, but it hasn't come. Yeah, well, I'm calling to you, please get off the floor. Love is gonna find you again. Love is gonna find you. Just be ready then. You tether to a bird of sorrow, a voice that's buried in the hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You're prostrate bowed but not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. Bet your joys are all tomorrows for the hope of some returning while everything around you's burning. Come on, we gotta get out of this mess with me. And still, for all the talking, do we ever say it straight? Or do we leave this up to chance like we do everything? A good heart's gonna find you again. A good heart will find you, but you better be ready then. You're tethered to a bird of sorrow, to a voice that's buried in the hollow. You've given over to self-deceiving. You're prostrate by but not believing. You've squandered more than you could borrow. Bet your joys are not tomorrows for the hope